it's me Kinjal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to do a DIY serum which I used for 7 days on my skin, and I am here to share my piece of experience with you. As soon as I posted my nighttime skincare routine, I got a lot of DMs asking for this serum. This serum is going to help your skin get better and just transform your skin. I know you won't believe me only in my talks, so I have proofs to show you guys. I have documented every single day when I was using the serum to show you guys if it worked or if it didn't. So yeah, I am pretty sure you are gonna be surprised and shook like I was. If you want to know what it is and if you like what you're watching, then please do subscribe to my channel, and let's jump right into the video. As I mentioned, I assure you that this serum is going to help your skin. No serums, actually no products work in a short span of time, but this serum did work. If you're wondering what skin type I am a combination skin type. And now let's start with the making of the serum. Basically, my skin was ruined when I first started using this serum. I didn't have expectations from this serum because I was like, you know what, I need to do something on my face because my skin looks terrible to me. I just need to make something to get my skin back to normal. But I also thought if it would work, I would share it with you guys, and it did work surprisingly. So here it is. So the first ingredient I am going to share with you guys is milk. You just need 4 to 5 drops of milk. I was familiar to milk because milk is a natural cleanser. It is also a gentle exfoliator, and it is good for acne prone skin. It also firms and tightens your skin. If you have loose skin, if you have dullness on your skin, it helps you with that. If you have dead skin or if you have dry patches, it is going to help exfoliate very gently on your skin. If you have sensitive and acne prone skin, it is going to help. Also, it tackles complexion. Now by complexion, I don't mean it is going to make you look fairer. It is just going to get your natural skin tone out. I'm nowhere in this video saying that it is going to make you look 5 shades lighter than your actual skin tone, because I don't believe in that, because nothing is beautiful than your own skin, like your own skin tone. So yeah, just be proud of it. It is definitely going to brighten your skin, but it is not going to lighten your skin, if that makes sense. I'm looking down because I've written points where I wanted to mention all this. It's going to be useful for you to know and just be aware of what certain ingredients do to your face. We move on to a second ingredient, which is almond oil. Now, I was not familiar with almond oil. I never used almond oil on my skin. Almond oil is rich in vitamin A. It also is a powerful moisturizer. It is going to keep your skin moisturized, nourished and hydrated. I didn't know you can mix almond oil with literally anything like aloe vera gel or essential oils or hair oil. It is basically like if you concentrate it with something else, it is going to show you results. It also helps you fade acne scars and pigmentation. Now I don't mean pigmentation in like a hyperpigmentation manner, because I don't think I have hyperpigmentation, but I do have slight pigmentation around my mouth area, around here. So I wanted to test this out as well. It is good for your skin, but it also benefits your hair and your nails. So you can use almond oil on your cuticles and on your hair, mix it with coconut oil, and you're good to go. So yeah, almond oil is a second ingredient. Super affordable. This is the Badam Shireen almond oil. This retails for 105 rupees. It's very easily available, so you can find it anywhere in the market. Next, a third ingredient has to be aloe vera gel. So this is the aloe vera gel. This is the Patanjali's aloe vera gel. And now you guys know how much I am obsessed with aloe vera gel, and that is why I had to include this in my serum. In whatever skincare I do, I have to include aloe vera gel. So if you don't know what aloe vera gel does to the skin, it hydrates, it soothes your skin. Also, it calms your skin if you have irritated skin, if you have scarring going on. Aloe vera gel is the key ingredient. Also tackles hormonal acne. Like if you have those painful zits from inside which don't want to burst but it's still there, it is going to calm that area and it is going to, you know, soothe it down, calm it down and settle that acne very well. My chin area is the area where I get hormonal acne and it's a mess. Like I get like big zits from inside which I can't pop. Those are really painful, so aloe vera gel is really good for that and comes in handy. You can also use aloe vera gel as a sleeping mask, which I do whenever I feel like, you know, my skin is dry or needs a boost of hydration. I use aloe vera gel on itself. I am including this in my serum because it is my favorite and it has to be in this serum. Fourth ingredient is turmeric. Now this is my ghar ka dibbi, so ignore that. Turmeric has antifungal properties in it, which is going to help you if you have any infection on your skin, if you have irritated skin, if you have scars on your skin. It is going to help you heal. I'm sure y'all are aware of what turmeric does to the skin, so I don't even have to say. From the old times to the new generation, we still use turmeric in every face pack in our everyday skincare, so I thought of including this. And our last and main ingredient is here, ladies and gentlemen. We have vitamin E capsules. This is how the vitamin E capsules look, very easily available.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So you get 10 capsules for rupees 29, which is quite cheap. And you don't need the capsule, you need the oil inside the capsules. It is going to fade away your scars and get rid of light pigmentation. Now I don't know how much it is going to work for hyperpigmentation girls out there. I do want to say that if you are treating this as hyperpigmentation, then you will have to use this for a long period of time until you get the results you want. But for light pigmentation, I would suggest 15 days, but 7 days I think is more than enough to show results on your skin. So let me also tell you that this DIY serum, which I am going to use it on my face, I also use this for my dark circles, and my dark circles have reduced, not a lot, but I can see a difference. Softens and smooths the skin. If you have pore issues, I think it can also, you know, minimize your pores. So yeah, the scent of this serum is not pleasant at all. So if you want to add any rose water or any essential oil, go ahead. Who cares of the smell if it works on your skin, right? So yeah, chances are that the serum won't work on your skin anymore if you keep it in light. So I suggest keep it in your refrigerator. And that is all for the ingredients of the serum. I have no proper proportions. So this is almond oil. I'm just going to fill 1/4 of the bottle with this oil because you don't want too much of oil. Squeeze in a little bit of aloe vera. A little turmeric goes a long way. Just pat it down, and then turmeric goes in there, remaining whatever milk you have. And now I'm going to use 2 vitamin E capsules. This is how you cut it, and then whatever oil you have, you just pour it in. It looks so satisfying, doesn't it? So there goes 1 entire capsule, and I'm cutting off the second capsule as well. And then you can put the dropper in. So this is how the consistency should be. It is show time. The time has come where I show you the results. So day 1 in daylight, you can see my skin sun damaged, uneven skin tone, a redness on my skin. I have a recent scar on my skin. I have acne, like a hormonal acne going on. I have pimples popping out. So my skin was in a really bad condition. My skin has never been so bad. So I was like, what is even happening to my skin? I was like scared. But then I used the serum. Day 1 of using the serum at night, before going to bed. I was worried about my skin. I was unhappy with my skin. Went to bed. Next day I woke up, which is day 2. My acne looks a little flattened, like all my pimples have flattened, and there is a lot of redness still. I do have a lot of scarring going around my nose. No changes at all, though my skin felt a little soft and supple, but there were no changes except that my pimples were flattened, and that was a good thing. So day 2 at night I again used the serum on my face and I went to bed. And because that was a Sunday, it did take me a lot of time to go to bed. Keep in mind, the serum is sticky. I don't think you like the texture first, but you need a very little amount here. You don't need a lot. Take a little bit on my hands. So okay, that much is enough. Warm it up and then just press it in your skin. Oh, the smell. Look at how my skin looks. It does give you a glow, which you don't need at night, but once when you wake up with amazing skin, you'll notice it gives you a nice radiant, like a natural glow from within, and you haven't applied any makeup while you see that glow. So that is amazing. And then just bring it on your neck too, and that's it. Okay, I'm just like let's move on to day 3. I woke up, it was a Sunday as I said. So as soon as I woke up, my skin started peeling off. Like the scar which I had here and the pimples I had on my forehead, it started peeling off. Like the dead skin started coming off, and I removed it completely. You can see in the day 3 footage where I am showing you my skin. I was at home, so I didn't have enough daylight to show y'all, so yeah, please excuse that. Serum helped me actually get less of the redness which I had on my skin. I only use the serum at night, so by night my skin was completely healed. My skin was adopted to this serum and it started actually working on my skin better. Visibly saw my skin got brighter. I just saw a clearer skin coming my way. Like I was satisfied with how my skin was looking. It did feel very smooth and very soft, which was amazing. I really enjoyed day 3. I used this serum on my face and I slept overnight, and there comes day 4 where I saw my skin changing. I had a new guest actually on my forehead. I had a pimple popped up, which went by day 5 itself. I did notice less of scarring. My skin was back to normal. I did have old scars remaining on my face, where I have this scar still remaining. And then I have a few scars here, and everything is cleared except this. This is a new pimple which popped up. Day 4 again I used the serum on my face, kept it overnight. My skin was improved massively and I was super happy with my skin. Also, it felt soft and supple. I didn't see any dullness on my skin. Day 5, I have no record in daylight because I was caught up with work. I couldn't unfortunately take that footage. I did get time for myself in the evening, so I had just shaved my face, so it generally burns, because whenever I used to use face mask, I remember using turmeric, it always gave me that tingling sensation, and I used to hate that. So I was a little scared, not a little, I was very scared actually. So I used it on my face, the serum, and you won't even believe it didn't burn. It just went as it was regularly going on my skin. Okay, so my skin definitely felt way more clearer and smoother and soft. Overall, I was super happy with my skin. I was like, I couldn't stop looking at my skin, and I was going up close in the mirror to see how my skin was transformed, and I was super duper happy. Technically, I should have stopped using the serum on day 5, but I still wanted to make a mark of a week, so I could just test it out for more, and I just wanted to test it out. The day 6 went very nice with my skin. I was very impressed how my skin was looking overall. The pigmentation, the scarring, the redness, everything was fading away slowly. Day 7, my skin was completely healed. It did give me amazing results in a week's time, where I think no serum in the market has ever given me such quick results. So I was quite happy with the results this DIY serum gave me. This is the final look of day 8 of how my skin looks, and this is the now of how my skin looks. Definitely I did have a gap in between where I stopped using the serum. That is why you can see all of this. But apart from that, I had that amazing week where I was surprised and shook for something I discovered, and it did work, and I was like simply happy. So yeah, the points I would like to address in this video is that it is amazing for scars, for redness, for irritated skin, for moisturization, acne, for hormonal acne. Cons I feel for this serum is that it doesn't smell that good. The smell doesn't stay for a long time, so that's okay. It fades away and the smell just evaporates. Like, you can't store it for 20 days or for a month. You'll have to make it every week. So yeah guys, I am super happy that I got to share this amazing DIY serum with you guys. Whole video I'm like also do a patch test if you are a little skeptical of trying this. I hope this helped a lot of you. It concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media handles to get connected to me. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Love you.